Hey guys, so if you're wondering why my fingers are red or on my mouth is red, I'm eating Takis. As you can see, I'm almost done now. So, you don't have to hear me munching all day. But, so today we will be logging on to Movie Star Planet and seeing what that boy said last time. You saw a little bit of the clip when I was leaving, but my camera stopped recording. So, let's log in. I'm just gonna press remember me. So, last video I was trolling my boyfriend. And he didn't say anything. I have logged in, but I haven't done anything since. So that boy's not online anymore. But I still have the message, because I didn't read the message. Okay. Says, hey, you want a date? It might be it right now. Sure. Okay. When? So, he's not online. So, I think I might make this into a trolling video. So, I'm gonna log out and do all that jazzy stuff. 1 second, guys. Log me out. Alright. I'm good. Must have pressed something. Alright. I'm gonna create a new account. Make it a girl. I personally have a look. Every time I make a new account, it's usually for YouTube. So I always make it what would be more trendy. So I think a trendy mouth would be this mouth. But if I had like that chin, that would be there. I think that would be trendy. I'm gonna change the lip color though to this light. No. Let's just keep it the lip color it usually was. Red. The eye color most people would go for it would be this, because they're bigger, fuller lashes and that eye. And the hair, I know what the hair would be. The red hair, because that's what I go for, and I know that's trendy because I like being trendy. I know the shirt would either be this one or maybe this one, but my favorite is this one. I always have a look whenever I make a new account. And so I think these jeans might be popular. I don't know, maybe that's not popular. I don't think the skirts would be popular. I think ripped jeans would be the most popular. And then some footwear. We need some footwear. Choose like flats. I don't think heels would be popular. If we're talking about boys or girls would think this is trendy. For boys, they would think something else trendy, but we doing girls today. We doing girls. So, okay, done. And this will be a free account, guys. So, just take it, change the password, do whatever you want with it. I don't really care. Okay, so the username will be Olivia 4. If that's not taken, okay. It's taken. It will be 42. Olivia 42. How's that taken? Alright, guys, we're gonna do Olivia Parker 2. If that's taken. Okay, so we're good on that, guys. I have no more talkies. I have crumbs. Good on that, guys. The password be lol 23. Cause I don't know who else to do. Lol 23. You guys will be born in April. I don't really feel like changing the year. You'll be born in April 2001. So, I'm sorry if this is gross, but like I'm super hungry because I haven't had lunch yet. So that's me. I always don't like their side profile. This looks weird. Hi, Olivia Parker 2. Welcome to Movie Star Planet. Wow, you sure look awesome. She's gonna do a cartwheel. Thought she was. Got some money. A crown because I'm the queen bee here. And then a doggy because he loves me. And something for tomorrow. So, oh my gosh. That was a horrible way to do this. See, she cartwheel. She on fire. But, yeah. I don't want to be friends with her. I always try to do a little tap hard on that. But I'll be friends with her. Because she's always online and she confuses me. So, I'll collect. Do I need to collect money? Like, how do you start with 400 and then you keep collecting but you lose money? Like, watch. 100. Okay, wait. Keep watching. So, I have 400 right now. 430. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna get you some nice things. I like this. Oh, you get all of them. We're gonna make this a nice red color to match her hair. And I don't want her to be a noob, so we might change her outfit a little bit. Let's make this dark burgundy red. Ooh, and guys, reminder, Rare Week is coming soon. So, don't forget it. Don't do anything. Remember, Rare Week's coming. Now, I really like this gray, and the gray can kind of spice up anything to make it look decent, and that looks okay now. So, we're just gonna level up. But look, I just had 403, right? Now I have 245. Like, do you see what I mean here? People scamming you. They scamming you. But I'm just gonna keep tapping, and yeah. Okay, guys, this hair, one of my fans gave me that, and I really love that fan. She's very nice and very, what would you call it? I don't know what you would call it, but she's very nice and very giving. And in general, she's a good person. So I'm gonna claim these. I'm probably just gonna give away those baby shoes anyway. I'm just gonna go to Movie Town and collect gifts here. But most of my fans are very nice in general. If you want to know who my favorite MSP YouTuber is, I would have to say Lily Trescott. I do have a UK account, but I don't really record on it because I don't really do much on it. I don't troll people. I just am friends with Lily Trescott on it, and I follow up with any other MSP people I want to be with. Now this is my hair in my other place, and I look nice, don't I? I love it. It's the most good hair in the world. I want a bunny, like a bunny filter to put on here. Are we gonna collect the chat and then glam up? Because I can't be going looking like a noob to get a boyfriend. And I'm gonna be fighting with girls and say, hey, you wanna date me? And I'm gonna say, girl, please. Alright. My status update's gonna be like, what the heck? Free account. Watch the, what should I call this video, guys? Video trolling on YouTube for password. Ta-da! What? Okay. For, let's say I make money, girl. No! And this thing is rude. This is how I say ugly. Pass. Really, girl? I'm just gonna say for uppercase P. Ta-da. That's what I'm gonna say. Then I'm gonna go to clothes, guys, and change her into this because she looked nice in that. Change her into this. Oh, I like this better. Keep those ripped jeans on. You look nice. Maybe put a little crown on it. No. And, ooh, that jacket. Okay. That looks good. Doesn't look like she's a noob. Does that look better than this? Yeah, that does look better. Or does this look good? Nope. That looks good. Let's just look at her hair. Okay, we only have 3 hair. Okay. Hey guys! So today I'll be playing Movie Star Planet. So we just gotta type M in and it works. So let me enlarge the screen because I'm extra. Okay, so this is our second video and we're gonna, oh no! Oops. Did I really need to do that? I didn't have to be that extra. I could have just typed in M again and Movie Star Planet. Okay, so we are going on a account that I made. It's a noob account, so it's also a free account. I'll tell you the username and password. It's Olivia Parker for the username. Olivia Parker, what was it? 42 or something? 42, right? I think that was it. And then the password is lol123. No capital. And then, what? Is somebody trolling? Okay, let's just make